security people did lock the door. As soon as they opened the door, they saw and abruptly she locked the door. The first thing anybody would do is go and see if the pulse is going on, something is happening over there. If she's really alive, everybody. I'm okay. I can speak. Everybody was there. Even we wanted to go and see, but I was so shocked and I was so scared at that point. I can't see her face. That's why I didn't go. Anybody would, we would have gone, sir. We would have protected like this and we would have gone inside. But we didn't do that because we were scared. We were shocked. As the adult.
Yeah, obviously. So anybody can.
So can we go now?
Where? I think
we will feel little bit okay if we see her because they locked up us inside the rooms and they took her.
Ma'am, you should rest.
A bit concerned. We want to know how she is because we were locked up inside and they took her.
you were locked up.
Yes, everybody was locked up.
We couldn't even see what was happening outside. They just looked and don't know who went with her. Nothing, no clue. We just want to go and see.
It's the minimum thing we are asking, sir. It's the minimum thing we are asking. You actually, we are not even pointing out the mistake what happened there because you didn't check the pulse. As soon as you saw the body, you didn't check the pulse. That is the first thing anybody would do who is standing over here.
Anybody would do. Check her pulse, but the security didn't allow me to go. I said to check her pulse, but no one locked the door.
She locked the door.
40 minutes or 40 minutes.
She locked the door. The minute she saw, she locked the door. Nothing, no reaction, nothing at all. The security did. The security did. And they did it. And they did the discussion.
Your room.
Her room and our room. They called someone and take one person to the hospital. That's it. We don't know what is happening. Who came? Who took? Let's see.
सर हम लोग बोल रहे थे कि जाके मैं बोली कि पल्स तो चेक कर सकते हैं ना कम से कम.
बिल्कुल.
सर बेसिक थिंग है सर.
She was
No. Not here. She like to inform someone in the family. She can. And our parents are old, so then just want to see.
Okay.
Every time 20 minutes.
Go and sit down. Take some deep breath, please. Go. Jao. Better.
Named Pallavi from EC department from Anantapur has died because of suicide. The thing is, we don't know the reason why she has died, and the college management is not allowing any of the students or friends to know the reason. And first thing, that girl, she doesn't have any academic pressure, she doesn't have any family problems. She, as far as what we know, because we are her friends, so as far as what we know, she doesn't have any affairs with anybody, she doesn't even talk to boys. So there is very low chance that that girl has done it because of her personal reasons. And coming to the next thing, in Bihta, the construction is not completed entirely. And inside the girls' hostels, some laborers like men are also allowed inside the girls' hostel due to construction purpose. And the washrooms are not also inside the rooms, they are private. Like for an entire floor, a student from EC department from Anantapur has उसका नाम पल्लवी है, वो सेकेंड ईयर में थी EC डिपार्टमेंट. वो बहुत अच्छी लड़की थी, वो बहुत पढ़ती थी, उसका CGPA भी 9.6 ऐसा है और वो किसी से भी लड़ती नहीं है. बहुत अच्छी लड़की थी, बहुत डिसेंट थी और मेरे से भी बहुत अच्छा इंटरेक्शन हुई थी उससे. लेकिन अभी हमको सडन शॉक है कि क्या हुआ उस लड़की को, ऐसा उतना सफ़र क्यों हो रही है, सुसाइड करने का उतना क्या है उसको, ऐसा हमको बहुत शॉकिंग लगा हमको. और वो उसके पास अभी वो हॉस्पिटल में है ना, एक लड़की भी उसके पास नहीं है, एक फ्रेंड रहना चाहिए उसके पास। एक लड़की को भी बाहर नहीं लो कर रहे हैं। अगर गर्ल्स का प्रॉब्लम है तो गर्ल एक ही रहना चाहिए।
अभी लड़की ठीक है?
लड़की ठीक नहीं है। पहले जब हॉस्पिटल लेके जाते हैं एक ही लड़की आना पड़ेगा, बस 5 ही लड़का गए थे। लड़की को अलाउ नहीं कर रहे पहली बात। और सेकंड बात एक है कि आधा लोग इधर आधा लोग वहाँ, क्यों ऐसा? पूरा कंस्ट्रक्शन भी नहीं हुआ। जब वीकेंड आता है वहाँ जो साउथ इंडियन लोग हैं वो यहाँ आ रहे हैं, क्यों ऐसा आना है? वहाँ मन नहीं कर रहा। अगर स्टूडेंट को मन नहीं कर रहा तो वहाँ क्यों रखना है? स्टूडेंट्स को यहाँ ही रखना है, सबके साथ मिलजुल कर सबको मिल के वहाँ शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा। यही एक अच्छा तरीका है। और वर्कर्स क्यों आते हैं रूम को? वर्कर्स क्यों आते हैं? अगर तुम्हारा हॉस्टल पूरा कंस्ट्रक्ट हो गया, ऐसा रहना चाहिए, कंस्ट्रक्शन पूरा होना चाहिए। लेबर नहीं आ सकता है गर्ल्स के प्राइवेट हॉस्टल में, क्यों आता है कंस्ट्रक्शन के लिए? अगर पूरा कंस्ट्रक्शन हुआ तो वहाँ लेके जाने का एक अच्छा तरीका है, वो भी नहीं हुआ। क्या कर रहे हो आप लोग? ऐसा हुआ हमारे साउथ इंडियन लड़की को। मैं भी तेलंगाना से हूँ, मैं भी हैदराबाद के अगलपुर सूर्यापेट से हूँ मैं भी।
चलिए, ओके, ठीक।